Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So this video is regarding the news headlines from the newspaper Mint. So the first news headline is that India could hit a jackpot in export of rice. Yes, you heard it right. The main reason for this rice export and increasing the rank of India in the world ranking is that other countries like Thailand and Vietnam, which are not exporting rice because due to drought, due to farmers not harvesting their crops, and due to economic condition. These three conditions, the second two countries like Vietnam and Thailand are not exporting rice to different countries. So right now India has got a golden opportunity to export rice, which is estimated that this year 14 million tons of rice will be exported to abroad. In previous year, if we see the statistics, it was 9.9 million tons. So there will be two plus points. First plus point is that the Indian economy will increase. Second plus point is that the farmers will get a huge amount of money, and that's a really good news. So this is all about the first news headline. So let's move to the second news headline. The second news headline is a good news for the travelers, those who prefer airlines. So there has been testing a COVID detection app that will be used in airport. How does the app work? Let me explain. Like the passenger who are boarding their flight will be taking a lab certificate or that test report from a government or a recognized medical center, and then they will upload that report into that app. That app will be tested by the US Council and the Disease Prevention Center. These two centers will first check your medical report, then they will allow you to board a flight. So this is really a good news because the passengers have to wait in a long line and for long time for their testing. So this is like you have to test from outside or from a recognized medical center, or you can say a government medical center which is perfectly recognized. Just upload your medical certificate in the app. That's it, done. Now you are allowed to board a flight. This will really reduce the time of testing, and also the slow process that was taking in the pandemic situation will be deducted. Now everything will be in a faster move because right now each and every country is developing their economy in some or the other way. So that's all about the second news headline. So let's move to the third news headline. The third news headline is about the retail sector. Retail sector means like Amazon has put a notice on Future Group over the Reliance stakes. Actually what happened in year 2019, like August 2019, Amazon has made a deal with Future Group, like a business deal, not it was like anonymous deal, we can say. Future Group, that Amazon will take 49.5% of stakes of Future Group, and they will come to India through retail sector. Okay, but what happened in 2020, Reliance has took an asset of 24,000 crore of Future Group without informing to Amazon. The news came to Amazon after a while, which has disappointed the spokesperson as well as the Amazon business development sector, because actually they have first planned and they were in a talk to buy Future Group stakes. So that's why Amazon has put a notice on Future Group retail sector. Now let's see what happens today or tomorrow. We will get to know about the further news. Right now only this much news has came. Let's see if any update will be there, I will inform you. So let's move to the fourth news headline. The fourth news headline is about the railway sector. The railway sector has got around 120 application for running private trains. Yes, you heard it right, 120 application from the private companies as well as the government companies. Some of the major names like L&T Infrastructure, BHEL, CRISIL, they are in a row to put their passenger train, or we can say their infrastructure in Indian Railway. So what is it about? Actually, government is trying to privatize railways, not fully but semi privatization, and in this government is happy to see that 120 application has shown interest in this. Actually, government is trying to run 151 new trains with 100 new train routes. So in this process, we can say government has told that they have to clarify two process. First is request of clarification, then request of proposal. After these two things, only the private company or the government company can run their train in Indian railways. And that is, we can say, not a good news or bad news, it is a neutral news, by the way, because if the private companies enter into railways, then obviously they will provide all the facilities and all, but for the facilities they could charge a high rate. So for, like, we can say, some percentage of population of India, it will be like bad news, but some population of India, it may be a good news. So let's move to the fifth news headline, and it's the last news headline. So fifth news headline is that ITC is trying to make Savlon 100 crore consumer spent brand. Yes, actually, Savlon and most of the disinfectant company like Dettol and all, they are on a top list during this pandemic situation because of this disinfectant, sanitizer product and all. So right now ITC is on a push for Savlon to be a market leader. If we look into the past, actually ITC has acquired Savlon from Johnson and Johnson in 2015, and right now Savlon competitor is Vivel, and Vivel has created 4 to 5 disinfectant product, and they have touched a mark of 500 crore rupees of consumer spent. So obviously, to tackle Vivel, Savlon have to cross 500 crore mark. So they are in a target of 1000 crore, just double, and that's a good competition. Actually, in the year, I mean in this year, in April month, Savlon has introduced 8 to 9 disinfectant products. In that disinfectant, it comes like soap and sanitizer product, then liquid gel for bathing and all that thing, and that is really a good news. Let's see who becomes the market leader. Actually, write it in the comment section what soap you use for the disinfectant and in this pandemic situation. My favorite is Dettol, I am saying here right now. Let's see in your comment section. So thank you for watching my videos, news videos in classes with me. And if you like my video, then please click on the like button, share it with your friends, and then click on the subscribe button. If you don't like this video, please click on the dislike button and write it in the comment section that what should be improved, so that I could bring change and improve in myself from the next video onwards. So thank you and have a nice day.